Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Of course, there is so much news about Google Gemini, and we know we are hearing Nano Banana and so many other things. So I'm gonna jump right in and start looking into what is this Nano Banana talk and Gemini talk. Obviously, Gemini came up with a lot of new components within their AI portfolio, and this is being improving over time, continuously. So right now it's free. Let's jump right into aistudio.google.com, and simply speaking, if you go in, you can just type ai.dev and it is gonna take you to aistudio.google.com. So if you go here right away, you're gonna see what's new is try Nano Banana, and then we're gonna look into a few other things, URL context tool, native speech generation, and live audio to audio dialogue, meaning that you can talk in any of your language and they can understand in their language. So this is fantastic. So why don't we jump right in? Let's try Nano Banana. I'm gonna try with one of my favorite thing. As you know, I'm gonna just upload a picture of mine. Let's say this picture, just a simple one. Let's say create a blazing or transform this picture as a firefighter. You know, I love that. Firefighter with a blazing house fire in the background. Okay, why not? Let me start right there. So what I did is I just typed in, let's say, transform this picture as a firefighter with blazing house fire in the background. So let's run it. Let's see how long it takes. It is running for about, I would say, 3 to 5 seconds. And how many tokens it used? It used about 1,300 tokens out of 2,598 tokens total used, and out of 32,768 tokens I have. So let's look at the picture. How does it look? Okay, this is great. So this looks like a blazing house fire. This is me with a lot of debris in my face. We have the firefighter dress on and the cap. So it looks really good, lively. I mean, there is no change. I think that my face looks right and fantastic. So why don't we try with something else? I love the astronaut stuff. Okay, now convert the same original picture as an astronaut fixing outside of International Space Station overseeing the Earth. Okay, so I'm gonna say planet Earth. Let's see what it does. Again, the name of this actually it says Gemini 2.5 flash image, and this is very well known, and in the industry everybody's talking about is a Nano Banana, and this is what you see, and the Nano Banana name, and this gets caught on. So it used about token count of 3,912 tokens. So you can generate quite a bit of images based on this Nano Banana preview. So okay, I think my image looks really good. It's a full astronaut suit fixing something in outside. Okay, that's great. I love it. It's a great dress. So essentially, if you want, you can start building a series of pictures and series of components right now, and that would give you like a storytelling, and that it's just improvement of the images are unbelievable. We know the content generation has been unbelievable. Now multimodal components are coming into play, and I believe that Gemini just leapfrogged a lot of other folks into this, making it realistic to some extent for with the person, and again, this is photoshopping. I know a lot of people are talking about, you know, why do I need Photoshop for, but there is a lot of other things. I'm sure Photoshop is going to adjust as well. But regardless of the fact, this is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. That's the model. Nickname is Nano Banana, and it can generate any background. You have seen quite a bit of images. These are fantastic. I'm just gonna do another one like Bangladesh. Take the same image. Oh, you know, why don't I change the image? Let's just add an image, upload a file. I'm gonna sitting down image of me. You know, I was recently in Pune and they just took some of my pictures, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. Convert this image where sitting in a boat in a river in village of Bangladesh with sunset in vibrant color. Okay, wearing traditional Punjabi. I'm gonna make it a little bit complicated. Let's see how does it work, and let's run it. Let's see. So convert this image. We're sitting in a boat in a river in village of Bangladesh with sunset in vibrant color, wearing traditional Punjabi and lungi. Let's see. So it's getting there. Looks like a lot of vibrant color, to be honest. Wow, I got the Punjabi and lungi. It's me. Amazing. Look at the uploaded picture to what it has converted to, and that's fundamentally really a true transformation, because before we were trying it out, if you look back some of my pictures maybe 2 weeks ago, it was not as good. Look at the color, the vibrant color, the river, you know, actually it's a village of Bangladesh, and the boat seems like, you know, very traditional boat of Bangladesh as well, and then I can see that this is fantastic, and the Punjabi and lungis really the way traditional people are putting it on, and you have a scarf there actually transformed into it. So fantastic. This is one of the really big news, so you should all try it out. This is free. I only use 6,000 tokens out of 32,768 token it gives, and it's for free. You can go to ai.dev, which is part of Google AI Studio. So I think you should try it out. Again, this is free, and use this as your multimodal content generation site that you want to do it. I'm sure I'm going to try to do this in future. You know, build a proper ad. Let's say taking a bottle of water, making spilling water or such, and come up with a splashing ad and such. I think there is a lot of use case for those, and this is truly amazing. Let's do one more thing that I have learned. I'm just gonna start another new chat. I'll try Nano Banana. I understand that you can take a Google Earth picture. I'm gonna take Google Earth picture of Dhaka city. I'm just gonna go to Dhaka map in map.google Earth in satellite view, and give me 1 second. Let's just go close somewhere, whatever it is, Bonani maybe, or in this. Just pick any. There is a mosque, I guess. Badminton court. I just wanted to pick something that people know of. Whatever it is. Okay, this is a Adamji Cantonment Public School. Actually, I'm gonna go to our school, Government Laboratory School. Why not? Let me just find it. Give me 1 second. Government Laboratory High School. Okay, I'm just gonna go there. This is my high school. That's where I went to, and I'm just gonna find it, and I will make it a satellite view. Oh, actually, okay, let's not do that. I'm just gonna find it and ask this Government Laboratory High School. Give me a second. Oops, sorry. Give me a second. I'm gonna cut it, take it a screenshot, and I will upload it. I'm gonna upload this. Based on the location in Dhaka, Bangladesh, create a 3D view of Government Laboratory High School in 1967. So let's see, how does it work? Because I learned that you are able to do this location, pick a location, give it a point of view, and it's gonna find that Google Earth view and then create one. This is definitely not the right one. Again, our laboratory school is not this. I know that not in 1967 it was not like that. I think the new school may look like this one. However, I need to see a 3D view of it. But regardless, Google Earth view. I'm gonna go Google Earth view of Earth view. Then give me 1 more second. I'm gonna go to maps. Actually, made a mistake in the map, and I have to choose the the location. Let me, first of all, I'm gonna do terrain, maybe. Yeah, let me do I'm gonna do satellite view. Let me go to Government Laboratory High School, Dhaka. I get to Dhaka. I get to see this. No, that's not. Yeah, it is. So Dhaka Teachers Training College, Government Laboratory High School. But see, I only see the field. Maybe this is the school, but I'm just gonna pick this. I will ask. I gotta put some sort of marker here. The way to do it, assuming. Again, I'm gonna create. This is the 3D overlay view. I'll take this. I'll actually edit it and create a marker. Okay, I'm just gonna mark something from here. Let me see where I can mark it from. So I'm gonna ask to do a view from this location. Okay, so let me just save this. Done. I'm just gonna upload this one instead. Let's see if it can do it actually. So if I upload this file, I think it was saved in desktop. It has the marker. Provide a ground view from the red circle towards the government laboratory school. Okay, let's see if it can generate anything. Again, I'm just trying this out. If it works, fantastic. If not, then we know that it doesn't work, and you know, there is some stuff they need to do because of the fact that it was supposed to be trained with Google Earth point of view. So again, it just gives me a point of view from the, give me 1 second. Yeah, from the street in 1967, because that's what I asked for. Of course, there's not enough crowd, and fantastic. Actually, because of the fact that at that time there was not enough crowd, maybe it showed this one, but the building structure does not look, maybe this was the building structure, but this was not the real building structure in 1967, because I went over there, so I know for a fact. Okay, so it didn't work that well that I was expecting, but few other things really worked. So from that perspective, you should try it out. I'm sure it's going to continue to grow. I know there is few other Google Earth stuff, like in the US it works very, very well. In Bangladesh, maybe it's not working as well as we expect. They might not have the historical point of view yet. Also, the image was, again, what I was talking about, multimodality works really well, and this is something that we should try out. So again, Google AI Studio, a lot of news came out, but Nano Banana is the one that everybody talks about. We just tried out few things works really well, few things didn't work very well, but I'm sure there would be improvement coming. With that, I wanted to finish it up. Thank you very much. Really appreciated all you listening to me, and there would be a lot more Google stuff that we'll talk about, and there is Copilot stuff that we're going to talk about, because I think this week was an amazing week. Take care.